You guys, I had to start off with a beef patty and some rum. Hey guys, it's your girl Naya. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming live from Jamaica. I know my voice sounds a little bit raspy. I don't know why it sounds raspy, but just ignore that. Yeah, so today I'm gonna be giving you guys a room tour, and I'm gonna start from the door. So hold on, I gotta give you guys the, exclusive, the fully welcome, mi casa su casa. So let's get started. So this is outside of my room. It's pretty. But guys, look at this. You cannot tell me I'm not blessed, I'm not protected, my angels aren't watching over me. My room number is literally 1111. And if you know, you know that it speaks for itself. But the thing I really like is that you don't need to carry around your keys. You scan in with this wristband, you just hold it, go, and it opens. Alright, we're gonna start with, alright, if you guys see a little mess, don't mind it. But this is the bed, TV here, a mirror right here, what's popping, TV, a little table, there's a couch there, this picture, and the room cleaner is just right in here. So now I'm not even gonna lie, I don't have the best view because I'm on the first floor, but the beach is literally right there. Okay, it's raining, but I kind of want to go down to the bathroom. Here's the shower, then that's the toilet, the mirror, and they got another mirror here, the blow dryer, all that stuff. And next I'm about to show you my favorite part of the whole room. Ready? Boom! I know jacuzzi tubs are mad regular, but listen, I love me a jacuzzi tub. Like, that is a must. But yes, guys, that is the room I am staying in. I wish I could sit this up so, no, gotta hold it. I'm staying at Grand Palladium Resort in Lucia, Jamaica. The price of this room, so I was looking on Expedia because I booked my trip really last minute, and it started at 1,200. I was like, that's not bad. It kept going up, I'm like, listen, I'm gonna have to find something a little cheaper, So I found this website called Cheap Caribbean. If you haven't heard of it, try it. They are legit. I booked through them. So for the room plus my plane ticket round trip, I paid 1,200, which is not bad at all. It's all inclusive. The room is very nice. The pool and all that stuff, very nice. Or you could drink, food, very good. So I definitely recommend it that you guys check their prices out if you're planning on booking a trip. But yeah, I don't know what I'm doing tonight. We're gonna see, but I know we gotta turn up. I'm trying to get lit every night of this trip.
I just did my COVID test. The results come back in 2 to 4 days. You have to have a negative result to come home. I know I don't got COVID though. I just hate getting a COVID test. Now I'm on my way to the bar. I didn't even know that I had a bar behind my room. Just like hitting right now, I'm not even gonna lie. But yeah, guys, I'm about to get litty by myself. I got all this food, knowing dang well I'm not gonna eat all of this, but you know I like options. I gotta have a little bit of everything. Cheers!
Cheers to y'all.
Cheers to you.
Hold on, let me make it up.
Excuse my profanity. Now you just spit it out.